The other lock I found while perusing my local flea market today was this nice little Toledo 30mm laminated lock. It's an interesting little design they got going on, and I'll give it bonus points already for having a more paracentric keyway than its probably direct competitor. And now that I'm looking at it, it also has more rivets than your standard master lock number 7. We're going to see if this gets the green tag today, or something else I came up with. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Yeah, this is not cut ourselves today. Well, I will say it has a laminated steel body with plastic bumper, brass on brass cylinder, which was nice, versus the, what was that, Premier lock? Hardened steel shackle, okay, it's not that big, you can still pop up the bolt cutter. Dual locking system that I'm going to try to shim and see if it will receive the other thing I have planned. 4-pin key system and 2 brass keys, because for some reason on these locks, brass keys are a feature, I guess. It does have like a mini Yale style keyway. It pops nicely. It's ribbed for my pleasure, I suppose. Looks like a 0.8 if I get with my mokes. No, that's... You know what? We're not going to do that. We're going to do this. Yeah, that'll work. And a short hook. No, you don't get a sneak peek. Now let's see what we're working with. Maybe a spool. You're oversetting something. Come on now, don't make me break out a different pick. Try using the short end. So get some. This one seems so good. You know what? Let me try. A short pointed, that one like the other Yale. Try this. I think it does have spools in it. I can't really. So I have a problem with the keyway and spools. So. It's only 4 pins. Come on now. Oh my lord. 4 minutes. I'm just doing something wrong. There she is. Jesus. Alright, so a little lube will probably help it out a lot. But it's a neat little lock. And you know what? For now, we'll give it a green tag, because I took entirely too long picking this little guy for the first time. I'll let you on a little secret. I'm pretty sure I can shim it, and that's where these lovelies are going to come into play. Anyway, thanks for watching.